Hey guys, Joe the Auto Guy with Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel. Today we have a new project for the channel. This will be a lot of sourcing parts, and I will need some help from Volkswagen fanatics and Subaru fanatics and stuff like that. What we have behind me is, it's actually my dad's project, but we're going to bring it into the channel because we got to do something with it. It's freaking cool. So, behind me is a Volkswagen Dune Buggy. I know really nothing about it, besides it is a roll cage, some parts, and we got an old Volkswagen engine sitting here, and yeah, it's covered in snow. So what are we gonna do with it? Maybe get it running, maybe put a Subaru engine onto it. That's what my dad wants to do, but I know nothing about parts. I don't even know what year this thing is. I don't know how to figure it out. So anybody out there know anything about this, let me know. We'll do a little overview of it right now. So obviously the, carbureted Volkswagen engine, air cooled, all that jazz, is just right here. I don't know how to figure out what it is. I don't know what any of this stuff does. But yeah, little boxer engine thing going on. The Dune Buggy itself, we got a frame, we got center pan, we got brake lines. Looks like there used to be a master cylinder or something here. We got some brake hoses, got some stuff going on there. Drum brakes, let's get that converted to disc. Let's do some cool stuff. But yeah, looks like steering components here. Just big old bends on the steering. I don't know if that's how these things were or what. But we got like a rusted coupler here, castle nuts, everything else, steering shaft, some old rusty seats. We got red lights on top, which I don't know if these were supposed to be the brake lights or what. But yeah, so we have the trans, got some ripped boots, we got good old keg for a gas tank back here. Looks like we had some lights, starter wires, crapped out shocks. I don't know anything about this thing. I want to know everything about this thing. Some drum rears. I would like to convert it to disc. I don't know what it needs, but it would be cool. Trans. I don't see any numbers on it, except for looks like down here. Focus. See, the camera's not going to focus. So guys, exciting new project. Let's figure out everything there is to know about this, and let's get her running. That's gonna be something cool. New project. So be looking for videos of this in the future, and let's see what we can do with it. Thanks guys, we'll catch you in the next video.